this is part 2 of my simultaneous linear equations tutorial, and this is part 2. I'm going to draw a picture, and I have the same question as before. It says I have 10 coins, I have nickels, and I have dimes. So what I did was, I'm showing that my blue are going to be my nickels. I'm sorry, my blue are going to be my dimes, and my orange will be my nickels. All right, and to represent this, I just said I have dimes and I have nickels, and altogether there's 10 coins. So you can see I wrote down coins to show that that I have some dimes and I have nickels is going to equal 10. Now, altogether I have 80 cents. So I know that dimes are worth 10 cents. I know that nickels are worth 5 cents. So I drew 10 of my dime objects to represent 10 cents. I drew 5 of my nickels objects to represent 5 cents. And I know that altogether I have 80 cents. Now, this might not be the most efficient manner to solve simultaneous linear equations, but I am going to show you something that's kind of neat. If I could get rid of all my nickels, I'd be in good shape. Now, I can't just add 4 nickels because that wouldn't really make any sense. But what I can do is this. I'm going to redraw my dimes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus, and I'm going to redraw my nickels. I have my 5 nickels. And that was equal to 80 cents. I'm just going to write 80. I'm going to say, well, what if I got rid of my nickels? So I'm going to multiply this by 5. And if I multiply this by 5, I'd get 5 more of everything. So I get 5 more dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I would get 5 nickels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I have to multiply the number of coins I have, and then that would be 50. Now, you may be saying, well, how is that helpful? And I'll show you in 1 second. If I were to subtract now, I had 10 dimes, and now I subtracted 5 dimes. 10 minus 5. These go away. And I'm left with my 5 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take a look what happens with my nickels. I'm subtracting. So those all go away as well. Leaves me with no nickels. I don't have any nickels left. Well, I still have to subtract this. 80 minus 50 is 30. Well, how many dimes do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 dimes, and it's equal to 30. Well, if I were to do this, oh shoot, sorry, should be staying consistent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I were going to make this into 30 different objects, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Well, by the way, this is completely superfluous. That would show you that 1 dime is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 dime equals 6. And you can see that over and over and over again. Probably see it a little bit better if I was a little bit neater. But 1 dime equals 6. Well, remember, I said I had 6 dimes. I said I had 10 coins. So if I have 6 dimes, that must mean that my nickels are 4. Let's see if that makes sense. 6 plus 4 is 10. So this is true. And 6 dimes are worth 60 cents. 4 nickels are worth 20 cents, and 60 plus 20 is 80 cents. So you can see it is possible to do this using a picture. It's a little bit convoluted, but it does work. And like I said, this was a little bit unnecessary, especially since I did a poor job of drawing it. But I was hoping that would help illustrate the idea. All right? Good luck.